Okay, welcome back, guys. Okay, now it's time for us to play a little game of Pull Up That. It's very similar to charades in a sense, so here are the rules. Our producer says we are to guess the name of the Jamaican artist on the slip of paper by either singing one of their songs or describing the artist without using their names. I don't know if I should go first or Debbie should go first for this one. Debbie, you go first.
Okay. Slide to the left. Slide to the right. Oh, should I shake up the box? Okay, hold on, ready.
You try to shake it up.
Crazy.
I feel like Debbie people on the paper them before.
I did. I'm an honest cheat. I'm an honest cheat. Okay, here we go.
Here, no. All right, let's go.
All right, so. Woo.
What I know.
Okay. I can't sing the song. I will try to. Okay. If it's more, then it's
Bigger.
or. Okay, meow.
Cat.
Right. Give me the
Super cat.
Yes, there we go.
All right. So got one. All right.
Thank you very much.
Let me go. Okay. Debbie said bigger. What do you say if it's
more? Yeah, then you know it.
If it's more, meow.
Yes, meow.
If it's
but
more,
you did well. You did well. You got it.
All right.
Next.
All right. Okay. So when them tell you say you're mad, I go Bellevue, mad, but it's a special
L.A.
place
Lewis.
at the hospital. No, it's a special place at the hospital.
Tanto Blacks.
No, at the hospital.
Bellevue.
You're mad, and they take you to this place at the hospital.
Ward 21.
All right. Ding, 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 ding. All right, next up.
Oh, yeah, it's not really an artist. Oh, okay, sorry. All right, ready?
Put on your paper and go on again.
Okay, next. Hold on. All right, ready?
Yeah.
Ah, love it. Okay. Okay, ready? Hold on. Let me get the song. Ready. When the tour bus drop off and all light lock off and I'm a wear mortal again. Promoter belly full and all the fans gone home. I'm glad that you're more than a friend and when your love is like changing.
And I wouldn't be the same without you, darling.
Big
All
tune.
right, next one. All right. This hard.
Why?
All right. Okay, so you know the drink. It's an energy drink, right?
Boom.
No, hold on a man. It starts like this. Luca.
Zaid.
So the
Aloe Zaid.
Ah!
Go Tam. No, that was good.
We never do too
No, that
bad.
was good. That was good.
I said right with Luca said we can't go wrong.
Okay. Mariah upon a hillside. I never want to.
You know, so if Debbie was supposed to sing
upon
that
a
song for me to
hillside.
get to lose, I know what hillside and who
Hey.
sing hillside. Chronic Law.
Upon a hillside. Hillside is something. Chronic law is the answer. Upon a hillside.
We don't know how to sing.
Big
Go
tune.
like Debbie.
I want to know about the hillside part.
Go on through.
That's my
All
part
right.
for the song.
All right, ready?
Next.
Ooh, I think that I found myself a
Omi.
cheerleader. Yes.
Omi. My fellow Clarendonian
Yeah,
friend.
that one was
Okay.
good.
All right, ready? Oh my God. I don't know if I should sing a song when he was in the dance hall or when he became a gospel artist. So I'm not sure.
Oh, who that?
I'm not sure. You know, okay, so, all right. What's another name for father?
Daddy?
Or,
Papa.
yes?
Papa son.
Yes.
Okay. All right.
Yes,
That's
there
not
you
bad.
go. There you
That's
go.
not
There you
bad.
go. Next.
That's not bad. All right. Whew. All right. Jamaica is a
Island.
all right. Some smile, some cry, some
Dre
pride
Island.
every day. Okay, good.
Dre Island. Through it all,
do
we
two back
survive.
today.
Yes,
Even though them
still hold the
cheat.
faith, unchangeable, Lord,
good.
unchangeable. Okay, so you're a teacher.
Vibes Cartel.
No, you're a teacher at the University of West
Teacher.
Indies,
Okay, all right. Fine.
right? What position do you normally hold? The highest rank of a
lecturer.
teacher? No, the highest rank.
Doctor.
For the teacher. Okay, no.
Oh, hold
Give
on.
me another one.
Wait, hold on.
Okay.
No, David,
Okay,
come
okay.
again. So again, the highest rank for the teacher,
Yes.
senior, lecturer at university.
What are they? They're in the class, and they teach. And they're, okay.
Tutors. Graduates.
Okay, what is a cashew?
A peanut.
What is a okay, what?
A nut. A nut.
What?
Professor.
Yeah. Tanya said a cashew is a peanut. Hello, please. If you didn't know, okay? A cashew is a peanut. All right, you heard it right here first on Weekend Smile, courtesy of Talia. A cashew is a peanut. We're done pulling up to the songs, and now we're pulling up into a break, guys. Let's digest that one, all right? Soon come back. Our second video pick for today of the recently released Kingman album, Dangerous, by Ras I and Dre Island, as I try to figure out how cashews are peanuts.
I guessed it right, though. I